It's huge as well.
It is, and you know what? Only small tweaks in here. Small tweaks are obviously carpet and paint, keeping the beautiful original cornices, value adding with the fan lights. And you remember the old wardrobe here? It was a bit decrepit, it was quite small, and it looked clunky. So to make sure that we fit in behind the cornice, we've got this gorgeous custom made one done, fully fitted out, so that it's really, really value adding. And the other big thing that we did to add value to the property is the window furnishings.
Yes, they are beautiful, the white blinds, beautiful.
Absolutely. Yeah, they're a reconstituted timber because they wear better then, and you need to treat them less, if that makes sense.
Yes,
so they're great for tenanted properties because you can literally wipe them down. You don't have to worry about if someone leaves the window open, they get a little bit wet. It's not a huge issue. So when it's an engineered product, you've got that little bit more resilience with it.
Yes, no, great. We functional wardrobe, got one door and a mirror for...
Highly functional. Yes. Every house needs a full-length mirror, Colleen.
It does, yes, yeah. I love it. Look at that bedhead. It's
absolutely, absolutely. Beautiful. That's a great way just to showcase the size of this space.
It is, yes.
Because it is huge. Hey guys, we're now in the master bedroom, and you know what? We didn't make a lot of change in the bedrooms of these houses because they didn't need it. We put in some beautiful carpet. We did some amazing warm colors on the wall. You noticed it isn't a form of white on these walls. It's actually a beautiful dusty taupe. And there's a couple of reasons for doing that. One, it makes the space much more inviting, and two, it's phenomenal for wear and tear and upkeep. So this was going to be a rental property, and hence that decision. Another thing you'll notice in here is we made sure that we have a huge amount of storage. All of the bedrooms are fully kitted out with storage because storage sells, especially when you're looking at a family home. And the last point I have for you on the bedrooms is focal points. Very important when you're styling a bedroom, you're really conscious of your focal points. Every room needs a focal point, and in a bedroom, especially in a master, it is the bed. So it's ideal to make sure that the bed or the bed head is opposite the door when you come in. So it creates an amazing first impression for everyone that comes to see it. So that's a wrap in the bedrooms, guys. We completed the same formula of each of the bedrooms in this property, and they are all spectacular.